Here I have Motorola Edge 30, and today I'm going to show you how to disable front camera mirroring effect on this device. So firstly you have to open camera. So for example, let me show you. Let me take one photo with this feature enabled, and now I'll show you how you can disable it by going to the settings, then to the photos, and here you have selfie photo mirror. So like I had this feature already disabled, but now I'm going to show you with it enabled, my photos will look like this. Hope you see the difference. Here is my head. There's more of my head on this photo, and on this one it's less. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.